Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start our new chapter in civics portion, that is Panchayat Raj. Children, in our previous chapter we came to know about the democracy and democratic elements in India. Now in this chapter we will come to know that after elected in election, how the government works, what happens after people elect their representatives, how are decisions made. Let's look at how this takes place in rural areas, where we look at the Gram Sabha, which is a meeting where people directly participate and seek answers from their elected representatives. So let's proceed. Panchayat Raj. Panchayati Raj is the system of government that empowers the village people. It is the link between people living in villages and governments at the state and central level. Local self-government system prevailed in our country from a long time. It is described as the pillar of village administration. Under this system, every village was self-sufficient and whole administration was in the hands of Panchayat, whose head was called Sarpanch. Every village and town has their own peculiar problems. It is difficult to find solution for them unless they meet and discuss them and bring their decision into force. This work is called Gram Rajya or Panchayat Raj. In order to make the life of a village happy, people belonging to that place should take part in its activities. For this local participation, devolution or decentralization of power is necessary. Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat is a basic village governing institute in Indian villages. It's a democratic structure at the grassroots level in India. It is a political institute acting as cabinet of the village. The Gram Sabha work as the general body of the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat shall be responsible for identification of the projects in the Gram Panchayat area to be taken up under a scheme as per the recommendations of the Gram Sabha and the Ward Sabhas, and for executing and supervising such works. Gram Sabha. The term Gram Sabha is defined in the Constitution of India under Article 243B. Gram Sabha is the primary body of the Panchayat Raj system and by far the largest. It's a permanent body. Gram Sabha is the Sabha of the electorate. All other institutions of the Panchayati Raj like the Gram Panchayat, Block Panchayat and Zilla Parishad are constituted by elected representatives. The decisions taken by the Gram Sabha cannot be annulled by any other body. The power to annul a decision of the Gram Sabha rests with the Gram Sabha only. Now, three levels of panchayats. Children, the three-tier Panchayat Raj system was first adopted by Rajasthan Nagaur district on 2nd October 1959. Consists of Panchayat at the village level, Panchayat Samiti at the block level and the Zilla Parishad at the district level. It defines the scope of the three as follows. Village level Panchayat. It's a civic agency that works for the village's well-being. The Panchayat Raj is a form of government in which the basic administration units are Gram Panchayat. The number of members typically varies between 7 and 31. Groups are occasionally bigger, but they seldom have less than 7 members. The president of the village panchayat is elected from among its members and is known as the Sarpanch. It is accountable for all its sections to the Gram Sabha, the general body of the villagers. Now block level Panchayat means Panchayat Samiti. The institution at block level is called the Panchayat Samiti. At the Tehsil or Taluka level in India, Panchayat Samiti is a local government body. It works for the Tehsil or Taluka villages, which together are called a development block. The Panchayat Samiti is elected for 5 years and is headed by a chairman and a deputy chairman elected by the members of the Panchayat Samiti. The block development officer is the chief executive officer of the Panchayat Samiti. He or she is appointed by the state government. She or he is responsible for the implementation of all the developmental and welfare schemes of Panchayat Samiti in the block. The third level is district level Panchayat or Zila Parishad. The Panchayati Raj system at the district level is called Zila Parishad. It looks after the district's rural area administration and its office is located at the headquarters of the district. It is the topmost level of the 3-tier structure of Panchayati Raj. It is elected for the term of 5 years. Members of the Zila Parishad are elected from the district for a term of 5 years. It has a minimum of 50 and a maximum of 75 members. Seats are reserved for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, other backward classes and women. The chairpersons of all the Panchayat Samitis under the district are the ex officio members of Zila Parishad. It is headed by a president and a vice president. The state government officer of IAS rank is the chief executive officer at the Zila Parishad. He or she is responsible for implementing the development and welfare schemes of the Zila Parishad. Children, there are some functions of Gram Panchayat as well, like to solve the individual or group disputes of the villagers, to implement the government schemes and programs, to collect taxes such as house tax, water tax, entertainment tax, etc. To construct and maintain drainage system and roads in the village, to take care of water and electric supply in the village, and to maintain records regarding birth, death and property details of the village people. Now I hope you came to know that how this Panchayat level system works at the grassroots levels in villages. Within the guidelines given in the constitution, each state in the country has its own laws with regard to panchayats. The idea is to provide more and more space for people to participate and raise their voices. That's all for today, children. Thank you, everyone.